赶快伫英国来去英国看一场收藏七套米仔的展览。展览内底有收藏真侪1960年代到1980年代将有代表性的七套米，嘛想真侪人来遮找找囡仔时的记忆。
英国古董车铁道米仔真有古早味，魔鬼克星乐高模型的掠鬼车，也是文艺做过珍藏品。英国伯明翰举办的玩具收藏展，有差不多3000位收藏家，加超过550位要买的人来遮找囡仔时阵的记忆。像这搭规个大会拢是采《星际大战》电影的周边铁道米仔。到目前为止，《星际大战》依然是卖了上好的电影之一。这就是1980年代角色连笔，依然受到电影迷的喜意。包装拢好好的绝版品，绝地武士会用卖到600英镑。超过24000外台票，德国穿梭机会当卖到580英镑，超过23500外台票。铁道米仔收藏家辛利特讲，伊一工上最当赚5000英镑，算起来超过20万台票。
You'll see a toy that you had when you were 3 or 4, and the memories just hit you. I remember being in the house with my brother, and we had these cars, and we run them in the garden and covered them in mud, or whatever. Or we had the Millennium Falcon, we threw it down the stairs, or whatever. I think it is. It's that trigger to your childhood, and I think that's the biggest power of old toys.
另外，这种伫收藏展正受欢迎的铁道米仔是军人动作红仔 Action Man， 伊是1966年第一遍伫英国出现。这种红仔伊的设计是有无同款的造型，而且还有无同款的衫裤会当一直换。
Action Man's been very kind to me financially because I originally started to collect it when it wasn't worth anything at all, and it was always something that was kept underneath the table on most fairs. Whereas recently, I think it's gone quite dramatically upwards.
规个现场看起，要买的人或者是摆摊买的人，大部分拢是50岁顶以下的男性。其中这位，伊对阿斯泰利克斯历险记正喜意，开110英镑，4400外块台票买这个伊无的收藏品。
My wife just accepted it. Said I've got a problem, got a bit of an addiction.
这个摆摊的少年人，即个若12岁，伊来遮卖限量的乐高铁道米仔。伊讲，拄来这个收藏展的时阵有淡薄仔紧张，因过尾啊慢慢甲即款收藏家变做朋友。这嘛对伊来讲，乐高是比黄金更加安全的投资，因为伊的计划一直伫咧起，拢袂了。公司新闻深入配编译。